What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here at the top of Ski Forever, my favorite ski run here in Mountain Village. I'm here to tell you all about why I'm here in Telluride for the winter and how I got these unbeatable seasonal work benefits. As a seasonal worker, I get to choose the places that I go. I want to go somewhere new, I want to experience new things, and there has to be, of course, work. Here in Telluride, it ticks all three boxes. I'd been here only one day before this past summer when I fell in love with it and I knew I wanted to come back for the winter. A job was easy to find and I wanted to learn how to ski. So let's go through some how to ski 101s and get you down your first slope. But first, let's layer up. Tall socks for under your boots, under layers of thermals, your outside ski pants, a long sleeve shirt, a middle layer for warmth on cold days, your outer waterproof coat, a warm ski buff to protect your face from the wind and sun, a warm beanie, finally your helmet, goggles, and gloves. Next, plan your day. Grab a map and plan your routes and understand which runs you're ready for. Telluride also has a cool app to track your runs and view the map while out and about. Alright, let's put on our boots. When you're putting on your boot out of storage, they should be clipped to keep their form. So just undo your clips here. Grab the tongue by this hoop right here and just pull it open. Pull up with the tongue and then push down with your heel to slip it in. Start clipping your clips on just to get them tight. Now that you've got them fairly tight, we're gonna go back through and check to make sure that they're comfortable but fitted. You want to be able to push it down with one finger. This you shouldn't be doing. One finger. Too tight. One finger. Comfortable. Last is going to be your Velcro strap that goes across the top. Just loops on the other side. You don't have to pull this tight, it's just meant to keep your boot all together and some snow out. You're good to go. Inside your pants, there's going to be this layer here with elastic. This does not go inside your boot, it goes over your boot. It doesn't need to go all the way, just over that first top bit. That's going to keep snow out in case you biff it. To carry your skis, connect them with one brake under the other. Then carry them by the ski binding of the bottom brake. To carry them outside, connect them the same way. Flip them so the back edge of your skis point up. Turn them around so the brake on the bottom ski is on your shoulder. Clip into your skis, knock off any snow off the bottom, insert your toes, and stomp down on your heel. When approaching the chairlift, align this guideline to the middle of your skis. Look over your shoulder to anticipate the chair. When the chair hits the back of your leg, just sit back, and don't forget to put down the safety bar. When getting off the chairlift, simply lean forward onto your skis and push off the chair. So let's talk about good form. Take a few bunny hops to find a comfortable stance with a slight bend in your knees. Widening your skis, aka the pizza, helps control your speed. Really wide helps you stop.
To turn, shift your weight slightly from left to right. It helps to point your arms and chest in the direction you want to go. Always look up, not down at your skis. They could get twisted and make you fall. Another great way to stop is to turn uphill. Learning how to ski is really fun. Don't forget to smile and embrace the speed as you progress. Skiing is believing. To get out of your skis, simply push down on the bindings, lifting your heel up.
So how do I get to ski so much? I work right there. I live right here in Mountain Village. Thanks to the Telluride Ski Resort, I get an unlimited adult ski pass, 1 free class with the awesome Ski instructors, as well as discounts on local restaurants, gear, and rentals. Without this unbeatable seasonal work benefit, it would cost me over $4,000 to do everything. Instead, with money saving habits and this seasonal work benefit, I was able to do it for $600. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever worked a seasonal job and where your favorite place was to work and why. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next week.